I am firmly on team rebuild. Team tank is the wrong way to say it because I don't want the players and the coaches actively trying to lose. Team rebuild, because that's what the GM should be doing, is rebuilding. And part of a strong rebuild is not being mad about wins, because here we are winning games off of the strength of Wolf, off the strength of Coronado, off the strength of Zari. They're learning how to produce. They're developing. You have guys around who can teach them, and you watch them do well. And if they win games, you're not mad because you're winning games off of the strength of your young guys most of the time. Shucks.